Here we have a pair of black combat boots with plain laces, and we're going to transform them into these cute junk laces. Keep watching this video, see how I did it. Hey YouTube, so these are some boots for my daughter, and I got them off Amazon. They were about $40. I have these like flat, thicker, like wider shoelaces that I'm going to swap these out with, because these type of shoelaces, I guess they're like rope shoelaces, and you want something that's flat that can really support the pins that we're about to put in here and the charms that we're going to add. So first thing first, you want to remove those laces and put them to the side so you can use them later on, or you know, just to have them. Okay, so you can see the difference of the laces. These laces were on Amazon for about $6.99, and I actually didn't even know that it came with 2 separate pairs, so that was a good thing. So I have a backup pair. I think they were like 48 inches and 52 inches if I'm not mistaken. Now I think these boots are like a size 8. I believe these boots are like a size 8 for my 11-year-old daughter. So we have been seeing these. I saw these a little bit in my timeline on Instagram. I saw people do like some junk laces with the Timberland boots, you know, the construction Tims. And I saw that, and you know, just different laces and different Adidas and things of that nature. She wanted some combat boots that more so fits her style. So I was like, okay, let's just get some laces. We'll go ahead and add the charms. Now, sometimes this does look like it could be a little complex, but trust me, it is not. I'm going to show you once I put these shoelaces in, that once you do this, all you have to do is just start putting the pins in and just keep going. Also, this pretty much works on any shoe. As long as you have a decent thick lace, you can do this on Converse, you can do this on the construction Tim boots, you can do them on Adidas. I feel like you can also do this on Air Force Ones. Literally any shoe that you have, just get some good thick sturdy laces and you are good to go. I even saw people using the fat boy laces. I think that's what they're called, the thick laces. Okay, so here are the charms that I made. I bought the little clamps from Amazon, and then these are from Shein, or I think these are from Temu, but you can get them on Shein also. So I kind of get things from all over because I'm just a crafter, so I have a lot of different things. And those little clamps, those little shoelace clamp things, I should be able to find the actual link, but for some reason when I try to find the link to them, I cannot figure out what they're called, and it's kind of hard to pull them up. But those are on Amazon. I just put some really good Bob Smith glue on there and added a rhinestone to it. And there you have some little rhinestone lace clamps, shoelace clamps. And you're just going to literally see me keep adding the pins. I'm going to space them out. There's no specific way. You can make the pins go vertical, horizontal. You can do it however you like to. You can add chains to it. I made this one out of like a cute little bow I had bought from the seller on Alibaba, and I just added the bar pin to the back to turn it into like a little brooch pin. So yeah, I just kind of made the charms, the chains, and then I will also add some luxury brooches as well. And if you need like luxury brooches or things like that, I do have those on my website, myroyalradiance.com. Okay, so I did finish up the first boot. Now I'm going to start adding my pieces onto the second boot. You can definitely make them look the exact same if you want to. I'm going to use slightly different pins in each one, just because that's just what I wanted to do. And I really like this little pin with the with that crown on it. It's super cute. Oh, and then also, if you're going to do something like this with like some boots, specifically like combat boots, or like a little, what do they call these, like a rider boots, boots that come to your knees, calf boots, whatever, get a boot that has a zip on the side, so you're not having to do anything to your laces, so you're not having to constantly string them up, take them apart, so they can kind of set in place with all the charms on them. Now if you want to change them out, you can always take all these off and put some new ones on. But I like the fact that these boots do have the zips on the inner sides of them, because they're easy to take on and take off. See that on the side? And you don't have to worry about untying and retying them. Now, this literally is very simple. I don't think this took me any more than like 30 minutes. I made the little pieces prior to this video, so I can just, you know, have it ready and get it done. And it's coming together so cute. The shine, I guess, on some of these pieces was like really reflecting. I do not like this glare. It's like a weird glare from my ring light. I don't know, but these just look so much better in person. I don't know why this light was like that, so excuse that light. I guess it's shining off of the bow that's on the boot on the right. But I'm almost finished. These are coming together so cute. I did these in the middle of the night because the next day the kids were going back to school from winter break. So my daughter, when she woke up and saw them, that they were ready, she was so excited and so happy that I actually got a chance to finish them, because I had to finish a couple other things. She wanted me to add some rhinestones to her Gap hoodie. That video will be dropping later. But yes, I'm almost finished, guys, so just keep watching to see how they turn out in the end. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these junk laces. You can do any type of color scheme that you like. If you want to do silver only, gold only, if you want to add like some beads. Like I said, you can make some of the pins yourself or the brooches yourself. You can get the pieces on Amazon and you can just add rhinestones to them. That's what I did, because she knew that she wanted those black rhinestones that I used. And those little push pin things, in some of the video you probably saw I was struggling to push it on there, but once you push that thing on there, it is locked on. So these aren't like easy to come off. All of her pieces stayed on. I think she did lose one of the bows because the back of that piece is like more so a brooch for like a shirt or something like that, I guess. But everything else is like locked on here. These little pearl pins that you can get from Temu and Shein, those hold on really good and they're actually very sturdy. Those pins from Temu are no more than $3 or $4. And you get at least 10. However many is on here. What is this? 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And all of that was just in one pack. So this is not a very expensive DIY. It's fun, it's simple, and you can customize it to your own liking and your own type of shoe in any color or way you want to. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, or share it on Facebook, or send it to someone directly who may be interested in doing something like this. So if you were thinking about junking out your own laces, you should definitely go for it because you can see it's very simple. Only thing, be careful when you're using those pins because you don't want to poke yourself. But thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your Crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired Crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.